everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to share some updates about BAM Multifamily Growth Fund V. And the biggest news is that we've added another property to the portfolio located in Wilmington, North Carolina. And whenever we bring a new asset into the fund, it's a good opportunity to step back and do a recap of what's already in the fund and what the overall strategy looks like. So Alec, what does the addition of this third asset mean for the fund?
First off, from an acquisition standpoint, this asset checked all of the boxes. We're always on the lookout for high quality, multifamily properties at the right price and markets with strong upside. And this asset in the Wilmington, North Carolina MSA fits that criteria. We are again purchasing this asset below both replacement cost and sales comps, similar to Hayden Flats in Bloomington and Kinsley Forest in Kansas City.
This is also our first investment for BAM in the Carolinas.
That's right. It expands our footprint into the Southeast, putting us in a fast-growing market backed by strong population growth and job creation. At the end of the day, this is a great fit for Fund V. It complements our existing portfolio and reinforces the approach that we've taken since the beginning.
So overall, we believe Fund V is really well positioned for the current market environment. We really have a great mix of markets that combine the stability of our existing Midwest properties with the long-term growth opportunities that we're seeing consistently in the Southeast. And that balance is really what gives Fund V a solid foundation today while still allowing us room to target future growth.
Throughout Fund V, we've stayed focused on the same strategy, acquiring high-quality multifamily properties at the right basis in markets where data supports long-term value.
And as a reminder, Fund V is targeting a 15 to 20% IRR and a 2 to 2.5x equity multiple over 5 to 7 years. So in other words, on a $200,000 investment, we would be looking to turn that into $400,000 to $500,000 over 5 to 7 years. And this is also the vehicle for passive losses. We are targeting 70 to 80% passive losses for investors deployed in 2026.
We're very excited for how Fund V continues to perform, and we look forward to sharing more about this opportunity.
If you'd like to learn more, please visit our website at bamcapital.com. You can also find information on our newest acquisition there, or you can email the team at invest@bamcapital.com. Thanks so much for watching, and we look forward to keeping you updated.